Today we are going to write 10 sentences on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was born on 31st October 1875. His father's name was Bhai Patel. His mother's name was Ladba Patel. He was the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. He was also the first Home Minister of India. He was a great freedom fighter and an administrator. He is known as the Iron Man of India. The title Sardar was given to him by Mahatma Gandhi. He died on 15th December 1950. The Government of India inaugurated the Statue of Unity in his memory. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.